What you may think you need at retirement is most probably wrong. Maybe you've heard about the 4% rule. So people work out their retirement savings according to the 4% rule. So this rule was developed in the 1970s in the US. And according to the 4% rule, you have to take into account that inflation will eat away at your buying power, which means that every year you have to withdraw at least 4% more to take into account that inflation will make everything more expensive. But this was debunked by the study made by the company of JP Morgan in July of 2025. So JP Morgan went to 5 million households in the US and asked them about their spending habits. And very interestingly, it showed that people's highest spending levels is about 2 years before retirement and 2 years or 3 years thereafter. And from there, the spending habits of people take a downward trend towards age 95 and death. So that changed the 4% rule completely. Even if your requirements for medical attention goes up, spending overall went down. So if you take that into account, we have to work out your requirements for retirement out completely in a different manner. So what I did was to say, well, let's take the first 10 years after retirement. So let's say you retire at 65. From 65 to 75, let's still work with the 4% rule in those 10 years. And then from 75 to 85, let's drop the 4% down to 2%. And then from 85 for the rest of your life, let's make the requirements for extra income every year, let's make it 0. And if you work it out in that manner, based on the study of JP Morgan, it makes one huge difference to what you need at retirement. You can work with at least 25% less of the money you think you may need at age 65. So let's do a small example. Let's say you've got 4 million rand at age 65. Normally, if you take the 4 million rand, that 4 million rand will give you a 23,000 rand every month, and that will increase with 4% until age 95. But if you work with the study of JP Morgan and you work it out differently, that means that your income can be more because you spend much less when you are older. So the much more is around about 29,000 rand. So from 23 to 29,000 makes a huge difference to a household. So next time when you work out your retirement savings, think about this. Maybe I don't need as much as I may think. So here's an offer for you. For the first 10 people who drop us an email, we will work out for you how much money you will need at retirement to give you the income which will help you to live without any worries. I can only do 10. It's a lot to work out. So the first 10 people dropping us an email, we will do the calculations for you.